Powered by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from It Boland in Paarl.
We are a builder's merchant offering the widest range of building material, paint and hardware. We are the best hardware in Paarl because we offer the best advice and service to our customers. I'm proud of that we've been here for nearly 20 years offering our services to the customers.
I shop here at Boland for the cheap prices and their friendly customer service.
I love how different all our customers are and how we can interact with all of them. We offer the widest range of Plascon products at the best prices in the area.
Plascon is a very good product and it's also here in Boland a fast selling product, and the price is worth it for the customers.
We really like the Plascon brand because we get the best quality at the best price.
I have a favorite product is the Trade Pro Brilliant Scene. It's an 8-year warranty paint. It's a good durable paint and it's washable also, and I have no complaints of that one. The DIY tip for the day or when you start painting, you just feel if the walls is wet or maybe no peeling paints off, then you can start painting.
Handy heroes, powered by Plascon. Together, we've got this.
South Africans know tough. It's built into our DNA. We know how to outweather and outlast the harshest conditions. When the cracks start to show, we go the extra mile. Our strength is legendary. Our resilience, iconic. And despite the odds, we know what gets the job done. Microtex, strong enough to endure anything.